All right, I said I was gonna show you when I turn these guys in. So here they are. And they always kind of do this. They'll do a lot of running around just to see what's going on. But these are Mangalitsas, and there's like 10 of them. They're all bigger than 300 pounds. And now they're in the land of food. So this worked out really good. We did get rained on today, so it didn't happen when we thought it was gonna, so now it's like 8 o'clock or so. And I just finished it up. We looked down this fence line right here. You see, we walked down that with a weed whacker and took all that out, and then you can see the stubby posts, and then there's a wire running down. So we've got that same thing going all the way around this field. All right, and I don't have it turned on now because it's not like they're going to push on fences or anything. But so I think there's 12 of them that are going to be out here, and what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to let them eat this right down to nothing. I mean nothing. There will be nothing in this field when they get done. I'm going to walk over to the field I just took them off here in a minute and show you that one. And then once we do that, we can let them into this corridor again. See this pretty wide corridor? And then I can open this gate. Right here, there's a gate. And let them onto these field peas. Which, you know, they're not doing very good either, but I know that these guys are not going to grow any further. I know they're done. The field peas, I've never seen this before. I'm sure there's something that people that do field peas know about here. But the little, really, I'll show you. See those little ends there? Now there's always those there. But on these plants, they're a lot. And this field should be boiling over the fences right now. There's nothing wrong with this. I mean, I've eaten these and they're fine. But there's no peas on them. They're not even close to flowering. So I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe they'll make it. But if they don't, the important thing here is my customer doesn't care. They're going to do fine with whatever we present them. They're not really going to care that, oh, these didn't do well enough to bring top dollar at a farmer's market. They don't really care about that. I got a couple of guys that don't want to go. There's always those. There's 3 of them. They don't want to go. So let me take you back here to this field and I'll show you what I just took them off. Okay, here it is. There is not a blade of grass out here. Nothing. And so tomorrow I'll come in here, maybe even tonight, and I'll pull a cultivator through this a few times. This house here, it's a little too heavy for my tractor to pick up, so I'm going to cut it in half and then make it so that I can move it in 2 halves. So I can pick it straight up and move it. Not that they need cover now for inclement weather. They don't care if it's raining. But just give them something to get out of the sun, you know. Now up there where they're at, the sun won't bother them for a while because those radishes are deeper than them, so they'll be fine. Oh look, now they're gonna come back and visit. Look where we came from. But the way this is set up, I could leave this open all night. It really doesn't matter, you know. If all of them were to go in there right now, I'd close it up. But I got one over here, and she's always been a little on the weird side. She's always the last one to come to eat. And I'm not even sure if she knows that they've left her. I don't think she really cares. If she's tame, I can go right over to her. I've got 4 sows in here. And my old boar, Friendly, he's 5 or 6. I've decided that I'm going to bring him over and put him in. And we will have one farrowing probably in the fall time. And that'll be good for what we're doing here. So, there it is. It's almost finished. I've got all the water run. We don't have all the electric running right now, but we will. I'm going to work on that right now while they're in, but they're not going to push fences, so electric fences are not really critical right now. But I just think this is pretty cool. Hey, it's Mark Baker's Green Acres, Mangalitsa Farm.